is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're updating our technical outlook on Dogelon Mars, and nothing has really happened with Dogelon Mars, so we're just going to look at the chart and give you hopium, right? Unfortunately, there's no hopium because we're still bearish. So looking at the daily chart, Dogelon Mars continues to trade within the long-term descending channel following a consistent downtrend since its 2021 high, which is not bullish. Right now, price is sitting around 7072, just holding above the macro low. This area has acted as structural support multiple times over the past 2 years. So it's suggesting that the token is once again testing its accumulation zone, the area where demand has historically stepped in. Okay, now the Fibonacci retracements remain key framework of understanding Dogelon's broader market structure, pulling it from the all-time high to the lowest point to this recent lows. The following levels continue to define the major technical zones, which is 6 zeros 14, 6 zeros 24. So bearish, short term. So I guess 6 zeros 14 short term breakout threshold and initial resistance. The 382 at 6 zeros 24 is a mid level rejection zone that has repeatedly capped rallies. So obviously that's why we say bullish over the 382, bearish under the 236, and then the 618 is the upper resistance band and potential reversal confirmation level. So if we don't break this area, then we're cooked, and we probably had a 618 retracement, and we're coming back down, or spending the next 2 years in a bear market doing exactly what we did last time. Very important. Now let's take a look at the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. All four are currently positioned above the price, continuing to slope downward, a clean signal of ongoing bearish momentum. The key to watch is whether the shorter EMAs, particularly the 20 and the 50, begin to flatten out. If we see the 20 EMA crossing over the 50 EMA while stabilizing price above both, that would represent an early technical shift from bearish control to neutral consolidation. Okay, so very important to understand that. Until that happens, the current trend remains defensive, and rallies should be viewed as potential lower high formations rather than confirmed reversals. Come back up here, get rejected, come back down, make a lower high. Very important to understand that. Now on the RSI, we are now around 38, which places ELON close to oversold conditions. That doesn't guarantee an immediate bounce, but historically, readings near this target have preceded short-term relief rallies or periods of sideways accumulation. If the RSI begins forming a bullish divergence, where the price makes a new low but the RSI starts trending upward, that would be an early indicator of declining selling pressure. So very important to understand that. And with that being said, in summary, Dogelon Mars remains within a long-term downtrend, but it's trading inside a region that's shown historical accumulation in the past. The immediate level to watch out for is 6 zeros 14, which is the 236 from the high to the low. A break above that mark would signal momentum shifting back towards bulls, potentially targeting the 24, which is the 382, the top band of this spaceship. And that's basically it. I think we covered everything again. I mean, I'm making the videos a little bit more professional and a little bit more longer. So basically, those are the latest technical updates on Dogelon Mars. We're at a crucial point in the chart near multiple year support, still under all EMAs, but potentially setting up for a structural shift if volume starts returning. The volume has been very low recently, so if the volume returns, we have a lot of potential. As always, stay objective, trade with discipline, and manage your risk. If you found the breakdown helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your outlook. Do you think Elon can finally break this downtrend heading into 2026? Thank you so much for all your support. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll see you in the next video.